This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. I usually do appliance repair videos, but this video was on a really great trip that we had to Maui, where we actually got a chance to do some surfing lessons. So I just want to review the surfing school, which we thought was great. Just leaving our cruise ship coming into Lahaina, and this is the old banyan tree that's been there for years and years and years. It's just an incredibly huge tree. There's also a lot of water sports you can do in Lahaina besides surfing, but we always dreamed of taking a surfing lesson. And the beach here is so great. It's very consistent waves and very gentle with warm water. So it's a great place to do your first surfing lesson. Here's some information on the surfing school that we chose because it had such great reviews. And our kids had actually gone there about 20 years before and had a really good surfing lesson. People there are really nice, very helpful. And it's just us walking over to the beach to start our lesson. You want to make sure you have a good swimming suit on and wear some waterproof sunscreen. So we took a nice pose before we got in the water, and then our teacher gave us a lot of instruction on the beach and then took us to the water. And his kind of funny name, Armadillo, but really good teacher, very patient and great sense of humor. So we're just getting ready to paddle out, and here's Angie catching her first wave. You can see the waves are pretty gentle, so it makes it really easy. And they guarantee that you will get up and ride at least one wave. So it's a really good school. And great conditions for learning how to surf. Finally got up where I could do it without any help, and that's a great feeling. I think I could actually do it here in California now. We're just heading back to the shop after the surfing lesson, and they take pictures of you while you're out there, and you can purchase the pictures if you like. It's a really good photographer and pretty cheap. You get a bunch of pictures, and you get a flash drive with your photos so you can take them home and print them out or send them to your friends. And then they show you the pictures there on the screen before you purchase them to see if you want to get them. We thought they were really good pictures. It's only about $25 per person.
Yeah, that's a good one. Look at that.
Flash drive.
Yeah. Wow. So thank you so much.
Here's our teacher, Armadillo. Gave us a lot of extra attention. Actually gave us a full extra hour and didn't charge us for it. Want to make sure we got up there and finally was able to surf. We kind of gave him a hard time, but he's really patient. So if you have it on your bucket list to finally do surfing sometime in your life, Goofy Foot's going to be a great school for you. It's about $70 per person, and they give you at least 2 hours of instruction. You also get a free hat and a sticker at the end. It also includes the rental of the board, and they give you some nice shoes to wear. Now we're just heading back to the Grand Princess, and we feel happy and proud that we finally got up and were able to surf. So I hope this has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching.